Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to attempt to make some snow globes out of wine glasses. I seen this on, I believe it was Pinterest, and I thought I could try to do that. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up some wine glasses. I got 2 tall ones and 1 short one, as you can see. And I also picked up from the Dollar Tree some of these figurines. I got a couple packs of these different ones, some with snowmen, some with Santa. I also picked up some of these little Christmas trees. And everything is obviously $1 from Dollar Tree. I also picked up some of this snow, this glittery snow I liked better than the little balls. Now for the base, I couldn't find any wood or circular wood or anything really that I can work with to put on the bottom of these at my Dollar Tree. I live in a small town here in Arkansas, and the closest Dollar Tree isn't really well stocked. So I picked up these little signs, or I guess they're kind of like a chalkboard, little paper sign, and it fit over the hole of the cup, so I thought it would work. Right now I'm just going to place these loosely on it to see where I want them to be before I hot glue them. So now that I have my figurines hot glued down, I'm going to pour some of this glittery snow into the bottom of the wine glass. Now you don't want to pour too much because you don't want to cover your figurines fully. You just want enough to cover the bottom. Okay guys, so this part is actually very difficult. Trying to hot glue the rim and keeping your hand steady, it was quite the challenge, but I ended up doing an okay job. But if you have any suggestions on what would make that easier, leave it in the comments below. So as you can see, I turned the figurines upside down and put them on top of the hot glue. Now I'm going to flip the cup upside, well, I guess it would be right side up instead of upside down, but I flipped the cup to get the snow on the bottom of it. And if you have any hot glue on the inside, the snow will cover it up. It'll stick to it, so don't worry about that. So I did the same thing to all the other cups, adding different figurines obviously. And now I'm just gonna go around and trim any excess. Is that how you say it? Excess? You know what I mean. Anyway, so I'm gonna trim it to kind of fit the cup. This was actually really hard. Again, if you have the means to get something for the bottom of this, like a piece of wood or something like that, it would definitely be a lot better. So to try and cover up that disaster on the bottom, I'm going to use some ribbon. And I actually really like this ribbon. I also got it for $1 from, I think it was Dollar General though, but it still was $1. So I'm gonna put this on the bottom of it to try to cover that black part. So this is how it turned out with the ribbon on the bottom. And I mean, it's okay. I honestly am not thrilled with it. I wouldn't give it to somebody unless I had a better bottom to it. But for my house, it's perfectly fine. So to give it some more detail, I'm going to take this ribbon and wrap it around the stem of the wine glass, and I'm going to do this to each one of them. I actually really like this ribbon, and I only got it for $1. And my daughter is laughing at me right now because I'm making a video. But anyway. So now that it's all wrapped, I'm just going to take some jute string or twine, whatever you want to call it, and make a couple bows and hot glue that to the top of them just to give it a little bit more detail. And I am sorry for the video quality. I am not joking when I tell you I literally have you tied to my vacuum cleaner so I can get my videos recorded. It's absolutely ridiculous, but it works for now. So this is how they turned out, and sorry I didn't have a third candle to put on that middle one, but you get the gist of it. I actually really do like them. The only thing I would change would be the bottoms of them. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you support my channel by liking, subscribing, all that good stuff, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!